How to reset TikTok privacy settings. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure that you update TikTok to the latest version. Tap to launch it. Log into your account. Proceed towards profile at bottom right. Tap three-line icon at top right. Choose setting and privacy. Now choose privacy, and from this section you can manually reset all the privacy settings. If you wish to make your account private, turn on the button. If you wish to make it public, turn off the button and tap switch button. If you wish to allow comments from everyone, tap on it and here choose your audience, for example everyone. Come back. Likewise, you can easily reset all these privacy settings like allow reuse of content, allow mentions, DMs, following list to be seen by, like videos to be seen by, and favorite sounds to be seen by, viewers' visibility, and all. So, if you want your account to be more private, you simply need to toggle the button on for private account, comments to only you or no one, reuse of contents to only you, likewise, all the options to only you. You can turn the button off for allow downloads so that people won't be able to download your video. You can turn the button off for suggest your accounts to other to make your account more private. If you wish to make your account public, turn on the button all. Come back and you can easily customize all of these options and then reset the privacy settings on TikTok. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.